You are familiar with the word Islamic banking, but what mostly people wants to know is where it came from. Is Islamic banking really Islamic? And was there a concept of banking at the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? In this video, we are going to answer all these questions. Plus, we will give you a short overview of growing demand of present Islamic finance industry. And if you are a finance professional, why should you consider learning Islamic finance, and why AIMS, MBA in Islamic Banking and Finance is a first choice for professionals since year 2005. Let us first discuss the origins of Islamic banking and financial system. The origins of Islamic financial system can be traced back from the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Trading was main source of income of people living in Mecca. In Mecca, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to carry out merchandise to Syria on business partnership basis. When Prophet migrated to Medina, the main source of income of people living in Medina was agriculture. They used to make a forward contract for prescribed dates to be delivered later in 1, 2 or 3 years' time. This was the ancient form of salam. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, allowed this kind of transactions under some conditions. In addition to that, Islamic modes of transactions that Prophet allowed in his time include shirka, ijara and surf. Later, during 8th and 12th centuries, the Muslim world developed several Sharia-based financial instruments, including hawala, trusts, promissory notes, bills of exchange and check system. In mid of 19th century, Islamic world started practicing modern Islamic banking system, which is derived from Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas. In this system, all the prohibited elements have been excluded, such as usury, uncertainty, and speculation. It is a very common concept that Islamic banking is not really Islamic. As a matter of fact, there is no issue with the Islamic banking as a system. But due to some commercial-minded bankers and investors, the industry is facing few issues. However, these problems are minimizing over the time. There is a major difference between conventional banking and Islamic banking systems. For example, you want to start a manufacturing plant. If you go to a conventional bank, the bank will pay you the money for the business, and will charge you an interest on that money. In a contrary, if you go to an Islamic bank, they will make partnership with you in your business. Since the financial risk is borne by investors, only people with skilled business proposals come up. This strengthens the economy of the society, and this is the reason why the Islamic banks were unaffected by recent international banking and subprime mortgage crisis. The importance of Islamic financial system cannot be ignored, because it is an essential need of Muslims around the world, and that is 24% of total world's population. This percentage is expected to reach 35%, to outnumber any other religion by year 2050. Good thing is that Islamic banking is also popular among non-Muslims because of the following reasons. It condemns usury, which is also strictly forbidden in Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism, and Hinduism. It is an ethical and moral banking system, which condemns taking advantage of others' misfortunes. Due to all these facts, Islamic finance is now trillions of dollars industry, with a yearly growth rate of more than 20%. There are tens of thousands of job openings every month in more than 100 countries, where skilled Islamic finance professionals are needed. Considering the growing demand of Islamic finance professionals, AIMS launched MBA in Islamic Banking and Finance in year 2005. Today, thousands of AIMS graduates are offering their services to leading financial institutions worldwide. AIMS is a UK-based institution and is among the pioneers of Islamic finance education. AIMS provide quality education, which is well recognized by financial institutions globally. Leading Islamic finance scholars from all over the world are associated with AIMS to produce highly skilled Islamic finance professionals. MBA in Islamic Banking and Finance is the fastest way to do mastery in the subject. It is a must-attend training for graduates and professionals who are seeking valuable education. MBA is a 48 credit hours internationally accredited program and well recognized among the financial institutions worldwide. MBA degree is a career-oriented qualification and ideal for professionals seeking higher positions in any part of the world. It starts from the scratch and participants do not need any prior experience or education in Islamic finance. It is 100% online and the lectures can be easily managed between work and family. It develops skills needed to perform key roles in the development and operations management of Islamic financial institutions. The MBA have benefited thousands of professionals who are working as banker, financial consultants, accountants, lecturers, commerce professionals, insurance professionals, and people willing to get the best Islamic finance education available. AIM's qualifications have helped many graduates by increasing their salaries up to 200%. Many of AIM's graduates are now working as head of the Islamic banks and head of Islamic product development. MBA education is delivered through highly interactive learning contents, which are available to students anywhere, anytime. The learning platform is very flexible. Students decide their own time to study and complete the program. 24/7 academic support is available to the students. If you fulfill the eligibility criteria, you may achieve MBA by following 3 simple steps. You visit our website, aims.education, and complete the online enrollment form. Within 48 hours, you will receive login details and access to study material that includes interactive lecture, comprehensive study manuals, Islamic Finance Library, and access to Islamic Finance faculty. You study at your own pace and submit assignments as per your convenience. You are given 2 years' time to complete your qualification. However, most of the students complete MBA in 12 months. Once you complete your study, you simply request your final examination that is conducted online. The success ratio of students who study as per given instructions is 95%. MBA curriculum is updated on regular basis to make our graduates fully aware of recent market trends. MBA is a 2-part program. In the first part, you study the Islamic finance elective courses, and in the second part you study the business management core courses. In the first, or MBA elective part, you study Islamic micro and macroeconomics, Islamic modes of finance, Islamic commercial and investment banking, Islamic accounting treatment, Islamic insurance, advanced areas in Islamic finance, and finally, you make a project. On completion of the first part, you are able to design Islamic financial products for new or an existing institution. Additionally, you are awarded by Certified Islamic Finance Expert and Master Diploma in Islamic Finance Certification. The second, or MBA core part, comprises of 6 business courses in which you study business management, marketing management, human resource management, organizational behavior, management accounting, and international banking operations and laws. On completion of Part 2, you are able to formulate, communicate, and implement strategic thinking processes, and apply your management and business skills in the context of Islamic finance. AIM's flexible learning environment allows you to enroll anytime. For more details, and to register now, please visit our website, aims.education.